In this video, I'm going to show you how to change default email font in Thunderbird. Now, if you want to set the default font for composing emails, you want to first open Thunderbird, go to the menu button with the three lines top right, and then from here you want to go to Account Settings. Then here on the left, you want to of course select your mailbox and you want to click on Composition and Addressing over here. And then from here, you want to make sure Compose Messages in HTML format is enabled. Then whenever you've done this, you want to click on Global Composing Preferences over here. And if you scroll down here, you'll find HTML style. And this is where you can change your font over here. So of course you can pick whatever you want and then the size as well. As well as over here, you can uncheck default colors and you can select your text color you want and the background color you want as well. If at any point you want to go back to default, you can just click on Restore Defaults over here and you're gonna go back to default, okay? So that's how to set the default font for composing emails. But if you want to set the default reading font, what you want to do is go to the menu button again, top right, and then you want to go to Settings. Here, you want to go to General, and then inside General, if you scroll down, you'll find Language and Fonts. In here, you can see fonts. You can go ahead and change the default font and size, as well as if you click on Advanced over here, you'll be able to change like different, of course, font styles and stuff like that. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.